12. And look what we got here. This one is ginseng matcha green. It's got a zip of red ginseng and pure green matcha. I think I've said it right, I'm not too sure. So, I can't pronounce half this. Jeju Island Sencha Green. Please tell me if I'm wrong in the comments. Lemongrass, ginger root, licorice root, lemon varna tuesday leaf, lemongrass oil. Yeah, there is other bits and bobs, but like I said, there's quite a lot of different things in this one, so let's give it a try. And this cup is given by my colleagues for my birthday, so thank you. Oh, that's enough.